When winter whispers its icy breath over the mountains, one thing stands between you and the brutal chill: your ski jacket. It's time to equip yourself with the ultimate cold weather armor. In this video, I've dug deep into fabrics, zippers, insulation, and more to bring you an extensive review of top 5 performing ski jackets currently available on market. So, watch the full video and check the links given in the description for updated prices and information. Number 1 is GEMYSE Men's Ski Snow Jacket, your winter warrior. When the cold winter sets in and you're gearing up for some outdoor adventure, the GEMYSE Men's Ski Snow Jacket is your ultimate companion. This ski jacket is all about warmth, durability, and unbeatable protection. The outer fabric is not only durable and wear-resistant, but also features a soft fleece lining that keeps you cozy in the coldest of weather. Wet weather is no match for the GEMYSE jacket. With a professional water-repellent coating and a waterproof level of 10,000 mH2O, you can take on skiing, snowboarding, or even rainy days without worrying about getting wet. The waterproof design extends to all zippers, ensuring you stay dry throughout your adventures. The GEMYSE ski jacket boasts a clever windproof design, adjustable Velcro cuffs, a stretchable glove with thumb hole, and a detachable storm hood ensure that warmth stays in and the wind stays out. You'll love the soft, fuzzy lining and thick cotton padding that keep you cozy against even the chilliest of winds. Number 2 is TACVASEN Men's Skiing Jacket. Style meets functionality. When style meets functionality, you get the TACVASEN Men's Skiing Jacket. This hooded jacket offers a perfect blend of fashion and comfort for your winter adventures. The fleece lining not only keeps you warm but adds a soft, comfortable layer to the jacket. The jacket is loaded with features that make it perfect for winter sports. With double zippers, a detachable hood, and adjustable drawstrings, you can customize your look and level of warmth. It also offers multiple pockets, including concealed zippers for added convenience during your outdoor activities. Whether you're into skiing, snowboarding, mountaineering, hiking, or cycling, this jacket is a versatile choice. Number 3 is Camel Crown Men's Ski Jacket, the ultimate 3-in-1 jacket. This ski jacket is the ultimate 3-in-1 solution for those who crave versatility and exceptional warmth. This jacket combines a waterproof coat with an inner fleece jacket that can be worn separately or together, making it perfect for varying weather conditions. With a waterproof index reaching up to 10,000 mm/H2O, this jacket ensures you stay dry even during rainy days. The seamless zipper and adjustable windproof hook and loop design provide unbeatable protection against the elements. The windproof shell features Teflon material, imported from America to block air intrusion. The adjustable cuff, detachable insulated storm hood, and a stand collar work together to keep you warm and cozy. Number 4 is SPOSULEI Men's Skiing Jackets with Hoode the Storm Defender. The SPOSULEI Men's Skiing Jacket is your shield against harsh winter conditions. It boasts a multi-layer structure that includes high-density spandex, hydrophobic coating, insulation padding, and fuzzy lining, ensuring that you stay warm and dry. It offers 2 zippered pockets and a chest pocket. You can confidently take on skiing, snowboarding, or rainy days without worrying about getting wet. The removable hoodie is convenient and adjustable, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. Adjustable cuffs help seal in warmth, and a soft, skin-friendly fleece lining is attached to the inner neckline. The outer layer is windproof, while the inner layer provides the warmth you need. This design achieves effective temperature control for your ultimate comfort. Number 5 is Free Soldier Men's Waterproof Ski Jacket, your winter protector. Winter adventures are a breeze with this waterproof ski jacket. This jacket is designed to keep you warm and cozy during the chilliest days. The inner fuzzy fleece lining and cotton padding ensure you stay warm during cold weather. The durable, waterproof, windproof, and breathable shell offers excellent heat retention and keeps you comfortable during chilly days. With a durable water-repellent, DWR coating, and fully taped seams, this jacket offers an 11K waterproof rating. You'll stay dry and comfortable, whether you're facing rain, snow, or misty weather. This jacket is packed with features, including a snow skirt, adjustable cuffs, a removable and adjustable fleece hood, and numerous pockets for your convenience. It's perfect for various outdoor activities like skiing, mountaineering, or simply enjoying the winter outdoors.